Well, as a loan officer, I consider it a job of service. It is a position that has, for me, evolved over the years because I've been in mortgage lending for many, many years. But as a loan officer, my primary job, as I see it, is to help prospective home buyers fulfill their goal of becoming homeowners. I'm working with prospective home buyers who, in many instances, have struggled, whether it be financially or personally, medically, whatever their circumstances are. There's usually a story behind the home buyer situation. The most challenging situation that I've encountered, and it wasn't that my clients were challenging, it was their circumstances that were challenging. It stands out in my mind because this family had endured just about everything that I can think of. They moved their family across the country, and in the course of doing so had their assets seized by the IRS, and as a result of that had literally $10 in their bank account. Everything from bankruptcy to foreclosure to tax liens to the tune of tens of thousands of dollars, on top of medical challenges and deaths in the family. You name it, this family encountered and were subjected to everything I could possibly think of. And the most gratifying part about the end of the story was that despite everything that they went through, to be there for them at the finish line and be able to congratulate them and give them the good news that they've done it, they've accomplished their goal of purchasing a home, that to me is the most gratifying part of my job. Academy Mortgage has what they refer to as a top producers club. And if you are part of this club, you are jetted off to some exotic place. We saw this as an opportunity to give back to the communities that we're visiting. My husband and I try to get involved in a lot of charitable work as much as possible. We try to give back as much to the community as we can. So in Maui last year, we sought out a charity, and you wouldn't believe that in such a beautiful place there's a lot of homelessness. And so we sought out a homeless shelter and provided a meal and different things that could be used by the homeless community in Maui. And then in Aruba earlier this year, just a few months ago actually, we sought out another organization that we could also give back to, and this time it was an orphanage. We were able to buy a security system, cameras, and even some computers for the orphanage. Academy Mortgage heard about it and literally gave me a wad of cash and said, I want to give towards your cause. And if you need more, just let me know. And that to me said it all, because it's a company that also cares about giving back and doesn't look for anything in return. That just solidified my love for my work and the appreciation that I have for a company that also fosters that type of philosophy about giving. My name is Deb Lapierre, and I'm a senior loan officer with Academy Mortgage in Mesa, Arizona.